Alright, next I'm going to install the handle. Next we're going to install the rubber stopper. Alright, next we're going to install the rollers. Alright, I just got done putting together the door part of it. Now I'm going to install the rails. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mark the studs. Alright, so once we get done marking our studs, then we want to measure up 86 inches for the height of our rails. Alright, once you got your height marked for your rails, then you want to install the standoffs, and then you can install the rails directly to the standoffs. Alright, I just got done installing the rails with the added standoffs, and also added on these door stoppers. This stops the door on each side. Now it's time to install the barn door. So this is what the barn door looks like installed. I really like this handle. It's got a nice big handle. This door glides really easily. I really like that. And you can paint this door any color you want. I installed the stoppers on each end that stops the door from hitting the wall. And I got one on this side too that stops it from going off track.